In this video, I am going to teach you how to connect Notion to Make.com. So this one is relatively easy. What we can do is you can first head over to Make.com website by inputting Make.com under the URL. Then after that, you should be able to see this. So if you already have an account, just head over and click onto this login option. However, if you do not have one yet, click on this Get Started Free option. They do not require credit card and you have no time limit on the free plan. In this case, since I already have an account, let me head over and click on this login option. So once I click on this login option, you will be prompted to sign in and you will be redirected to your dashboard that you have on your make.com. So it may take some time to load as well. But what we can do is once we are actually on our dashboard, we can initiate the connection from there directly, and you don't need to switch over other apps themselves. In this case, click onto this scenario option, and then after that, head over and click on this open scenario builder or this create a new scenario option. Just wait for this to load. Now, after this is done loading, next thing we can do is we can click on this plus icon and then click onto the search bar that we have right here and search in here for Notion. So here's Notion right here. Click on this and choosing here the database item or the action that you want. So for example, for this, let's click onto this get a page. And then in here, we need to create the connection. Click onto this connection option and choosing here connection type. We have Notion Public as well as Notion Internal. I'll choose Notion Public and choose in here the connection name and click on Save. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Notion account once you are actually in here, and you should be able to initiate connection once you have successfully signed in. So that's how you connect Notion to Make.com. Hope we help.